cycling to Tias. The last stretch into Tias, all uphill, it's been wind pushed me backwards. I think we're nearly there. And that's my first podenco I've seen today. Definitely a dog. Don't know if you can hear that, but that's barking. And it's I'm bloody barking mad for doing this, but this is a massive hill. It seems there might be at least the dogs up here. Hopefully there'll be podencos. Let's see. Well, it's not a podenco. It's a dog. Let's carry on and see if we can find any more. Not exactly a podenco either. I've head further. Eventually I've just come across podenco, or especially a hunting dog, sight hound. Just gonna say hello, see if finds me friendly enough. So apparently if I got this track, there should be podencos over there somewhere in a kennel. Let's see if that's correct, or I'm just wasting my time. Unfortunately my Spanish is absolutely rubbish and I can't even communicate with the locals, but I'm getting somewhere, so let's just have a look. So I've just been speaking to an English chap and he was very helpful. He says if you look for pickup trucks, they usually have cages in the back. Luckily I got speaking to an English guy. He confirmed that there'll be podencos this way, and he's also said that this is a terrain for a lot of rabbits. In his own words, a shitload of rabbits. So that's what I can imagine. This is what apparently the rabbits hide up in. And the podencos work as a pack, as I've seen on YouTube. And they usually shoot the rabbits, or the podencos catch them themselves. Great to be out here, love to come out here and hunt. So I've come on a bit of a mission today. Hired the bike for €10 from Puerto del Carmen in Lanzarote. I've cycled around 4 miles. Came off the beaten track. Now the bike I thought wouldn't last this long. Something wrong with the crank, which isn't good, obviously. I'm just glad I've not received it. Got a puncture. As you can see, this is how far I've travelled. Our apartment's right next to the coast. So I've come up to where that bloke, the local, says we're about to film some podencos, and so far I can just see guard dogs all warning me not to come any closer to their probably their kennels, which isn't good for me. I want to see podencos, not guard dogs. This is where I've come to. I think I should really start heading back now though. I'm running out of water. Maybe could do with some food because I'm not really eating this morning. Daft really. So yeah, I'm gonna head back. See if I can find any podencos. Or just come across. Abandoned stray podenco. See if we can get closer. That's what I've came to see. Didn't expect it just to pop up out of nowhere. Looking beautiful. What a beautiful animal. You really can't beat sight hounds. These are special. Look like the FERRET hounds. Looks in good shape. It looks like he might be carrying an injury as well. These dogs are renowned for being timid. Mostly dangerous if you approach and scare them. See the dog there is carrying its back left leg. It's not in the best of shape, I'm sure. I hope the dog's not far from here, so maybe go and feed. It probably will be fine actually. If someone wants to put some food out for it. Reminds me of fly. Got 2 days left of my holiday and can't wait to get back and see my dog. Leaving its scent there. Just like flying away in the sense that she's always carrying an injury. She's always got an injury on her feet. Looks like the same has happened here with this dog on this rough terrain. Beautiful animal. Let's say our bye-byes. Adios! Adios, amigo! Well, maybe the dogs do know each other. Maybe it's not abandoned or wild. Just gone for a stroll. It's heading back and get some grub. Now let's go back to Puerto del Carmen. Well, it should be like this all the way back. Yeah, all downhill. I'm liking the idea of that. All the way down. Pick some speed here.